going on, everyone? So this is a follow-up video from the last video that I made. So I'm actually gonna do a demonstration video right now. So I just clean off the area. As you can see, this area here. Then we'll do a demonstration of how it works and what I use to get the work done. Alright, so this is what I will be using. I'm using the OxiClean powder to get the work done and putting it in 1 gallon bucket of water. This is actually like a 2 point something, so I'm only gonna use a portion of it to estimate a gallon. Put the powder in it and then stir it. This is gonna be hot water. Let it dissolve in there and then throw it on the deck. Give it a couple minutes, about 5 minutes, and then try to wash it, I guess. And this is what I did last time, so it should be fairly easy. This thing says 2 to 4 spoons, so I'm gonna put another 2 in there. So when you put it down, it starts to change a little color. You can see it. Alright. this, guys. Take a look at that. Take a look at it. I mean, it will take some time, but it can be done. Here we go. Alright, thank you. I'm gonna finish this. Till next time.